the #1 vitamin to repair ligaments and tendons. If you suffer with joint pain in your knees, wrists, hips, elbows, shoulders, or your jaw, then you may be suffering with joint damage. The joints in your body contain connective tissues such as ligaments, tendons, and cartilage, which allows them to move and bend. Sometimes these connective tissues become damaged, which causes stiffness and a dull aching sensation, especially in the hands, the spine, and the wrists. In more severe cases, you may notice warm, reddened skin around the joint, and the muscles around it begin to waste away. Fortunately, there are natural ways to repair the joints and eliminate pain and swelling, such as loading up on vitamin C. Today, we will be exploring the benefits of vitamin C to heal your joints naturally. You will also learn about what caused the damage in the first place and the best food and supplements to heal the joints. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Vitamin C, what is it? Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient which plays an important role in strengthening and protecting the joints. The body uses vitamin C to help build and repair the connective tissues such as ligaments and tendons because the body uses it to build collagen. Collagen is basically the structural material that keeps your joints held together by strengthening them with a strong framework. As you're probably aware, vitamin C is also an antioxidant, meaning that it helps to reduce the effects of aging and oxidative damage to your body by lowering inflammation. When you don't have enough vitamin C in your body, the joints become weaker, damaged, and start to waste away. This can cause bone-on-bone rubbing and some severe pain and swelling. So why am I deficient in vitamin C? The most common cause of a vitamin C deficiency is consuming sugary foods and refined carbohydrates like bread, pasta, and white rice. In the presence of these foods, your body absorbs the sugar and the carbs first, which makes you absorb less vitamin C. Drinking alcohol can deplete vitamin C. Long periods of mental stress can deplete vitamin C, along with surgery, injuries, or illnesses, because the body uses up its vitamin C to help heal itself from any type of damage. Poor nutrition. Another common cause of a vitamin C deficiency is eating too many cooked foods and not enough raw, leafy greens, fruits, and vegetables. Vitamin C is sensitive to high temperatures and breaks down when it's exposed to heat and cooking, so you must get it from raw foods. Also, the body can only store vitamin C for around 2 weeks, so if you don't get enough from raw foods often, you will easily become deficient. How to absorb more vitamin C? There are 3 key steps that you can take to get more vitamin C into your body to reduce joint pain and start repairing them naturally. Number 1. Consume foods rich in vitamin C in its natural complex on a daily basis. Eat 2 bell peppers per day, as these are one of the best sources of vitamin C. Also consume leafy green salads, sauerkraut, berries, and citrus fruits like lemons and limes. These should all be raw and uncooked to get the raw enzymes and antioxidants into your system. Number 2. Reduce refined foods from your diet. Flour-based foods like bread, biscuits, and pastries, and sugary foods like sweets, sodas, alcohol, and table sauces all block your absorption of vitamin C, so cut these out of your diet as much as you can. And 3. Manage your stress levels, because stress depletes vitamin C. Getting more sleep, taking long and slow walks in fresh air, and meditation are all great options. You can also take adaptogen herbs like ashwagandha or rhodiola to help calm your nerves. By following these 3 key steps, your body will soon begin to digest and absorb more vitamin C naturally from the foods that you eat. This will boost your antioxidant network, and soon you will notice joint pain diminishing as the vitamin C lowers inflammation, swelling, and pain. Range of motion will increase in all of your joints, and you'll also have higher energy levels because of vitamin C's antioxidant effect. Vitamin C will help your body to synthesize new proteins and collagen that strengthen the connective tissues in the joints. Studies also show us that vitamin C can put a stop to the worsening of arthritis and other autoimmune diseases. Water-soluble. As I mentioned earlier, vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient, meaning that your body can't store it for very long compared to fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins E or A, for example. This means that you have to keep consuming vitamin C regularly to protect your joints from further damage. Not getting enough vitamin C for only 1 to 2 weeks can lead to a deficiency, causing pain and inflammation in your joints, tiredness, fatigue, and weakness in the body. Supplements to heal the joints. Now that you know all about the importance of vitamin C, let's take a look at 4 recommended supplements that you can use to repair your joints and eliminate joint pain faster. Number 1 is acerola cherry. To get a head start and really boost your vitamin C levels, take capsules or a powdered form of acerola cherry on a daily basis. It's important that you use food-based supplements, as they are much healthier than regular ascorbic acid tablets that you find in most stores. Acerola cherry contains minerals and natural chemicals that work with the vitamin C to build collagen and strengthen your joints. Number 2. Start consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of bone broth powder daily. You can drink this in hot water, or you can add it to soups and stir-fries. Bone broth is the best natural source of collagen and provides the raw materials to strengthen your joints, ligaments, and tendons. Number 3. Consume 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of potassium citrate powder daily. Potassium is the most important mineral to ease pain, swelling, and inflammation in the joints. This helps your adrenal glands to produce anti-inflammatory hormones like cortisol, so that you don't burn through all of your vitamin C. This will help to boost your energy levels and help your cells to absorb more vitamin C. And number 4 is moringa. For a herbal alternative, consume 1 teaspoon of organic dried moringa powder mixed in a glass of water every morning. Do this on an empty stomach. Moringa leaves are grown at the foothills of the Himalayas in India and contain 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas, helping to quickly loosen up your joints. Moringa powder is also loaded with chlorophyll, which rapidly reduces joint and arthritic pain. These 4 supplements all work together to stimulate the regeneration of ligaments, tendons, and cartilage within your joints. You must remember, however, that taking supplements are not designed to be a magic pill. They're only there to help you along. You must get most of your nutrients from natural, raw, and whole foods that I talked about earlier in the video. I also recommend consuming oily fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, anchovies, and perhaps cod liver oil. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce swelling and pain in your joints for quick relief. Recommended daily intake. Going back to vitamin C now, the key topic of this video, here's a list of the minimum recommended daily requirements for vitamin C. However, you'll likely need much more than these figures suggest to stimulate deeper healing processes in the body. Just to make this very clear, if you do take a supplement for vitamin C, make sure that it's made from natural food sources like acerola cherry, rose hips, berries, or camu camu. These contain the full vitamin C complex that you need. The regular cheap ascorbic acid-based supplements that you see in most stores can have toxic effects in large amounts and are synthetic and unnatural, so I advise avoiding these. On a side note, if you're worried about consuming too much natural vitamin C, you need not be concerned as it's water soluble. Any excess will be flushed out through your urine. Final notes and summary. Vitamin C is an absolutely essential nutrient for protecting and repairing collagen and the connective tissues in the body. Getting more vitamin C in its natural food-based complex helps to protect and reverse arthritis, joint pain, swelling, and loss of collagen. It is 100% essential for repairing and healing all ailments in the body, as well as strengthening the immune system to fight bacterial and viral infections. Vitamin C will help your body to break down and absorb proteins that you consume, and then build them back up for stronger and tougher joints. Daily supplementation of vitamin C in the form of acerola cherry and eating raw leafy green vegetables can improve range of motion and reduce pain in your joints. There are also other nutrients that can be consumed to help reduce joint pain and stiffness, so go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now to learn more about overcoming joint pain with nutrition. Thank you so much for watching my video, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.